Okay, let's get started. Even though we're posting to Twitter, we'll still use the dimensions of an Instagram post because I find square pictures always look great on the feed. So we'll start with one of those and we'll use a social media graphic from the Canva library. We'll go with that template and we'll just apply it and change the quote. And we'll change that up. So naturally we want to change this to our brand colors, so you can either go onto the palette there and pick the colors from your brand kit and apply them individually, but I like to save myself some time and I head down to the styles tab to the left and I tap on styles, which opens up my brand kit, and I just tap on it and I tap shuffle and it changes them to various colors, and I pick the one that I like best depending on what color I want to go with and the kind of post that I have. So we'll go with this one for now. To post to Twitter, we'll tap on the three buttons at the top, the three dots, sorry, and we'll go to Twitter. I already have my account connected, so we'll just tap on that. And if I were posting today, I would add a hashtag. And I would hit publish, and that would post it to my feed directly right now. On the other hand, if I wanted to schedule it, so seeing that it's a motivational quote, I might go with Motivation Monday and hit schedule and pick Monday at say 7:18 in the morning and hit done and schedule post. And there you see, it shows you when the post is scheduled for. So if you've done this with various posts and you want to see it in the content planner, just tap on content planner and it'll show you the posts that are scheduled. So in this case, we have one scheduled for Monday. So we'll tap that, we'll close that, and it will show you that that one is on the planner for Monday.